to the ARK, and my name is Jade, and we're going to learn about the RESH. Now I'm going to show you how to draw the RESH. Stop. The RESH and the pictographed way. Pictographed way. So I showed you that. Now we're gonna learn what it means. So first, whoa, I already said it. So one thing is first, cause like I'm first and head. Second thing is person, and third, person, then head. So person, why we say person, is because your head is attached to your body. That means you're flowing through, your blood's flowing through, so you're a living thing, and you're a person. And then the word today is Bereshit. Bereshit means the beginning, like the beginning of a story. So that's what that means. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Shalom. And 12 tribes worldwide. Bye-bye. Oh, yeah.
I never was gonna have to follow. But the journey's dark. I'ma need some help, it's hard to see. I said I'm looking up. Why you looking at me like I'm crazy? I'm going up to a place where most folk like me. I don't really wanna be here or be anything that you do me wrong. Can't wait until I get there to the city where I belong. Chocolate steady.